Hello folks, my name is Serge and welcome to my YouTube channel, SEWPRO USA. Today I'm introducing another machine. This is SEWPRO 2530-7C. This is top and bottom feed zig-zag with automatic features, foot lift, automatic thread trimmer, automatic back-tack. It has direct drive motor. It also top and bottom feed with the M size large bobbin. And let's see, it has automatic back-tack turned on, and you can run it very slow, and if you want you can run it, and then when I stop, needle always stops down, and at the end of the cycle I just simply heel the pedal. It back-tacks, cuts thread off, and lifts a foot and position needle up. So let's run 4 layers. So let's look underneath. This machine has all the good components, all the metal parts. It's equipped with oil pump, self-oiling, that takes oil bath, and really good polished parts, good quality machine.